Everyone, welcome back on the stream of my channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So friend, in last videos on the Meta Movement SDK, I have done tutorials like I have set up the Meta Movement SDK as well as I have set up the locomotion thing. So I'm getting the comment like here, there is no movement locomotion seen in the sample now. So it have been around 1 to 2 months. So I just thought to try that how it is working. If you have not watched the tutorial, so you can just was currently they have released the updated version. So these are the three videos on the Meta Movement SDK. So if it is the same case that you are not getting the sample scene, so in this video I am going to tell you that how you can get. So here you can see there are few things have been changed, so I want to mention here. That is the you need this to install, and one thing have been changed, like whenever you are starting last time, so you have to install this one, but currently it is coming in Meta XR all-in-one SDK. So in one SDK you will get this one, so you have to not install separately. And whenever you are installing it, so here you can see I got the sample Meta Movement, and this is the current version. And here I am getting the advanced samples, body tracking sample, face tracking samples. So how I am getting these samples? So basically you have to go on the package manager, and here they have changed, like whenever you want a sample, so you have to go in the sample section, and here you are getting, so you have to grab all the things, means you have to import. And in previously what was happening, that we were getting inside the package and Meta Movement SDK, and then we were able to grab the things, but currently this thing have been changed. So nowadays what happening, that whenever you are getting any samples, so you have to grab in the plugin, and from there you have to import. So here we are getting everything, and in advanced sensor here you can see this is the locomotion. Basically you have to grab the movement locomotion. So these are the scenes, it's depend on you that which SDK you want to explore. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you next video. Bye bye. Take care.